This is a custom mail merge tool built in Excel using Excel VBA. It generates the keyword code and puts it in the label. It also checks different conditions like if gender is man, then the product ID picked is this one, KI35, it's woman, then it picks the product ID that starts with Q. So let me show you the label for this. This is the template label. Here you can see the serial number, brand, product, and gender, and this keyword code is a placeholder. So all this text and images are placeholder here, which will get replaced with actual values. So to generate the labels, just click on this button. You can see it's in the status bar showing opening Word document, creating label for item 3, 4, and so on. Okay, it's done now. Let me go to the folder and see. Yep. So this is the one that just got generated. If I open, you can see, for men, it is K, for women, it is Q. Also, the different keyword codes and product IDs are generated here. Yeah, this can be customized to your requirements. Thanks for watching.